Friday workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're making a wooden witch.
We are?
Yeah.
So we just thought we'd decide to do a 5-minute craft for you guys. Can we do a 5-minute craft in the workshop?
Let's find out.
Alright, so we have this witch right here. We're gonna go ahead and glue this on, and then after we're done, we're gonna go ahead and just tear it right off so we don't actually need all that much glue on it. So here we go.
So, all right, now let's peel off the paper and see what it looks like. That's how easy the glue stick comes off if you do it right. Good job, Dom.
Oh, thank you.
And so this is
A witch.
a witch. I'm gonna just break the ends off with a sandpaper, get the burrs a little bunch because I didn't have a 0 width on there.
So here we go. Time to paint it black. Yeah. Friday workshop.
Cackle, cackle! It's a witch!
It's a witch.
Happy Halloween, everybody!
Yeah.
If you like crafts like these, we still have a few more weeks till Halloween, so let us know, and maybe we'll make some more.
Yeah. So if you like this video, you should check out this one. Like and subscribe.
What are you doing, Dom?
I'm gonna go ahead and draw out a witch.
Freehand?
Yeah.
Oh no, I hate this. Okay, comments below. Does this look like even a witch?
What? Yeah, it does. Look, you got the eye, and then here's the mouth, and then here's the hat right there, and then you can see that's holding onto a broom right there, and that's the hand,
Oh my god!
and that's its little leg.
Okay.
Let's paint it black.
There's nothing coming out of there.
Ah!